Order Mr. Ganesh Babu, our Vice President Acting Emergency, my dear parents, teacher, and friends, on this auspicious day, we have gathered here to cherish a time thought for the successful completion of preschool and to welcome them into the promising primary journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Mitra.
I would like to invite Mr. Blissme to share our best wishes to these little wonders.
Thank you, Avyuk. Is my speaker on? Yeah. Thank you, Avyuk, for giving me this opportunity. I'm really pleased to be here. A very good morning to the Secretary of SRV International School, Dr. Mrs. Neela Itakshi ma'am, our vision holder, Mr. Ganesh Babu, my dear parents, students, and staff. It's my pleasure to welcome students, families, faculty, and management to the graduation ceremony of early years at SRB International School. Every one of you made an impact on these graduates of early years too. It's a very proud moment for the parents and for the teachers of the early years. Graduation ceremony, it's not a simple thing. It marks a major transitional moment of your life. You are getting from one step to another step, from pre-primary to primary. It's a result of all the hard work that you have put into and the achievements that you have gained and the look forward that you have for your future. So this is a step up for you. Throughout the course of early years of the school, you have done a lot of things and you have made new friends, you have developed new skills, and you discovered new things of your own self and of others too, isn't it? And you are here on the special day as a special person in front of the entire group. That's what is the speciality of this graduation day. And we thought of actually making it a very grand celebration for you all because it's a one of the very formal occasion that you face in your school life. Physically, we wanted to make a very grand celebration with all the graduation gowns and hats on, but unfortunately, but your teachers are not giving up anything. They are trying their best to make it fulfilled for you everything. So they made it probably more special for you, making it in the form of a virtual graduation ceremony. Maybe you are the first one to be graduated virtually. We never experienced in our childhood. In fact, some of us didn't even have a graduation ceremony in our days. So we never celebrated, in our school age. So you are really special, and in that special because you are having it in a virtual manner. And you all agree definitely that early years are the foundation for you all, and you made a wonderful foundation for yourself, isn't it? Now you all are going into a step up level, the next level. That means more responsibilities, more hard work, more learning, more joy, and more fun. You are grown up now. You're no more babies, right? So you need to be more independent. Now you're not going to have a nap time and Aya next to you all the time to take you to the washroom. You're more independent now. You're going to be an independent child and you will be leading others and you will be helping others. So that's where it shows you're grown up and you're independent, isn't it? So I really would love to congratulate you all, and not only you, your teachers. It's a memorable day for them too. So you and your teachers deserve a big round of applause. And I would want to suggest you all, like, be more punctual. Most of you all are punctual, but maybe we can be better in whatever we are doing. So be a punctual, responsible child and keep on asking questions. The more questions you ask, the more knowledge you gain and the more understanding you will have, right? So my best wishes and congratulations to all the graduates of 2021 batch and also the graduates of 2019-20 batch. which we missed last year, and together we will be having it now. So, congratulations to the early years teachers for laying a wonderful foundation for the students and taking them to the next step of learning. God bless you all. Have a happy day ahead and a happy learning in the next academic year. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your pleasing words.
I would like to invite our secretary, Miss Neelia Takshi ma'am, to share her blessings.
Good morning to everybody who have assembled here. Especially a warm welcome to the graduates from Prep 2 and Grade 5. I congratulate you and I extend my warm welcome to you kids. Throughout this year, I think you have learned a lot of activities in the academic year. So you have learned a lot in this year, and now you have grown up and you have developed your skills in the field of education with the guidance of your class facilitator. So I congratulate the graduates from Prep 2 and Grade 5. As Ms. VP ma'am told you, the graduates of last year missed the chance to celebrate this function even virtually. But this year, we are celebrating this function virtually. So for this, you will be happy to join with us on this occasion. I request the kids of all grades to learn more and more in the academic field with the support of, with the guidance of your class facilitator, and now you are independent to act act independently in the classes. So I once again I congratulate you to move forward in the academic section. In the coming years, you will learn more and more, and you develop your knowledge, and you will earn a good name to your parents and to the institution on the whole. First, you should be thankful to your facilitators who worked hard throughout the academic year to develop your skills. In Tamil, they will say Mata, Pita, Guru, Deva. So after your parents, your Guru, your teachers are the best Devam to guide you in your career, in the future in your future career. So you should be thankful to your teachers who guide you in the in all the activities of the school. So I once again congratulate you and thank you all to be to join with us virtually. I wish you all to achieve a lot in the years to come. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your blessings.
I would like to invite the vision holder, Mr. Ganesh Lati, to share his wishes.
Good morning, everyone. தமிழ்ல வந்து ஒரு திருக்குறள் இருக்கு. ஈன்ற பெரிது பெரிதுவக்கும் தன் மகனை சான்றோன் என கேட்ட தாய். Actually, வந்து the graduation function ceremony is not just for kids. It is for parents. It is for the pre-primary teachers as well as the primary teachers who are eager to welcome the pre-primary to primary. இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா that too in this year. Actually, the students should be very much students as well as the parents should, be very much thankful to their pre-primary teachers, because pre-primary teachers virtually வந்து அட்டென்ட் பண்ண வைக்கிறதுங்கிறது pre-primary students virtually வந்து classes attend பண்ண வைக்கிறதுங்கிறது it's not an easy thing, and of course they are small kids. ஸோ அதையும் அவங்களோட போக்கில் போய் they ensure that the kids learn what they have to learn in the pre-primary. So it is not an easy task which the pre-primary teachers has handled this year, and they ensure that when their kids are going to primary, the learning what they have to bring into primary has been there. As well as primary teachers, they are very much eager to welcome the pre-primary teacher students, because they are actually marching towards the next level. As already shared by Ms. Subbulakshmi, there won't be any nap time, and your language burden will be increased, and you have to work hard in terms of the sports and everything, so that you would be marching towards the next level of your life. அண்ட் நம்மளோட பேரண்ட்ஸோட டியூட்டி என்ன சார்? இப்போ அவங்க பிரைமரி போயிட்டாங்க அப்படிங்கிறதோட நம்ம பேரண்ட்ஸோட டியூட்டி உட்காந்து இதைப்படி அதைப்படி அப்படின்னு அவங்களுக்கு ப்ரெஷர் கொடுக்கறதோட, அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குற ஹோம்ஒர்க்கை அவங்க பண்ணியிருக்காங்களா அப்படின்னு ஆஸ் அ பிரைமரி பேரண்டா நீங்க செக் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா போதுமே தவிர அவங்க கூட உட்காந்து ஏன் அது பண்ண நீங்க ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணணும்னு அவசியமே இல்லை. உங்க குழந்தைக்கு ஏதாவது ஒன்று புரியல அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, we are here, you can inform your homeroom teachers and they would be very much happy to help you. என்ன உங்களுக்கு புரியலையோ அதை அவங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவலுக்கு கொண்டு வரதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஈவன் ஒரு சில பேரண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, அவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு இஷ்யூ இருக்கும், அது சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. அவங்கள நம்ம கூப்பிட்டு என்னைக்காவது ஒரு நாள் நீங்க ஏன் ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணல அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் நீங்க காரணத்தை தேடாம உங்களுக்கு எப்ப தேவையோ அப்ப இம்மீடியட்டா எங்களை மீட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு நாங்க சொல்யூஷன் கொடுக்க முடியும். நீங்க கடைசி வரைக்கும் வச்சுட்டு இருந்துட்டு கடைசியில இதனால நாங்க இதை பண்ணல அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, தட் இஸ் நாட் அ சொல்யூஷன் ஃபார் த கிட்ஸ். வாட் நீங்க கிட்ஸுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல சொல்யூஷன் கொடுக்கல. பிகாஸ் நீங்க கிட்ஸுக்கு அந்தந்த இடத்துல அதை சால்வ் பண்ணி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா தான் கிட்ஸ் உங்க கிட்ஸ் உங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவலுக்கு போக முடியும். So adukku, if any issues are there at any point of time, we are here, homeroom teachers are here. Homeroom teachers now, if you feel that it is not possible to solve them on the ஒரு ட்ரிப்ஸ் சொன்னோம் 2 ட்ரிப்ஸ் சொன்னோம் முடியல அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, of course coordinator would be here there, and coordinator நாலே உங்களுக்கு சால்வ் பண்ண முடியலன்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா vice president would be there to solve the things. And further if you feel like இல்ல சார் நான் உங்களோட பர்சனலா பேசினா I would be better அப்படின்னு ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, you can come and meet me up also. We work as a team and we ensure that whatever has to be reached to your kid would be reaching your kid. And thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Once again, I congratulate all the Prep 2 students who are moving to grade 1, and also the previous year 1920 Prep 2 students who already moved to grade 1. Congratulate them. I heartily congratulate each and everyone. Thank you for the opportunity given. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wishes.
Let's hear about the journey of prep by Ms. Manunmani and Mr. Hari.
Today is a very special day. Today we celebrate our children's incredible journey and experience in preschool. We would like to start with Forrest Whitaker's poem, which applies to all of us. 100 years from now, it won't matter what kind of car I drove, what kind of house I lived in, how much money I had in the bank, nor what my clothes looked like. But the world may be a little better because I was important in the life of a child. The beginning of this school year was a time with many questions on the possibilities of learning. Technology helped to build trust with the children to feel the real classroom. It was a time of building relationships together and creating a team with one shared goal, providing children with what they needed to develop and grow as an independent learner.
We moved through the year laying a foundation for the children with unconditional support from the parent during this pandemic time. Initially, it was a difficult task for young learners to adapt to the new way of learning. Later, they have adopted the new normal routine quickly and responded to every process of learning. During the process, our learners have changed the entire ambience of the home into the learning space and made deep connections with the concepts. We also made ensure that our learners get first-hand information through virtual field trips and expert talks. In this entire process, as a stakeholder, parents played an important role in terms of supporting physically, emotionally, and spiritually. The unconditional love from parents and robust bond from the teachers made the children attend the class regularly. In virtual class, we haven't arbitrated anything other than a child's physical presence. Each and every child experienced conceptual understanding by making use of the available resources found inside the home through various hands-on activities to have a content learning experience. We would like to convey our sincere gratitude to our management, parents, Vice President Ms. Subbulakshmi, Acting PYPC Ms. Jency, our facilitators, and other people who have been part of our children's learning process. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Mananmani and Mr. Hari. It was really wonderful listening to your experience. I would like to call Ms. Mananmani to felicitate the prep two children on their graduation day. D. Geeta Shri.
Geeta Shri is an affectionate and caring child who accepts the feelings of others. She is a risk-taking person who explores unfamiliar situations. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is open-minded, where she respects and accepts the thoughts and ideas of others. Now we declare that D. Geeta Shri has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and has been awarded for her active involvement in the program.
R. Jagatya.
Jagatya is an enthusiastic learner who makes the best use of the opportunity. She is an excellent communicator who narrates stories with modulations and morals with her justification. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is principled as she takes most care to submit her work on time. Now we declare that R. Jagatya has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and has been awarded for her active participation in the program.
B. Varshita.
Varshita is an independent communicator who expresses her thoughts and ideas confidently to others. She is a happy child who appreciates her thoughts with her justification. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is inquirer for having the natural curiosity to know about things. Now we declare that B. Varshita has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
S. Vihana Sai.
Vihana Sai is a principled and knowledgeable inquirer who believes in letting her work as a self-identity. Being an enthusiastic learner ensured that she helped her peers many times when needed. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is knowledgeable as she explores the concepts to get in-depth understanding across the range of disciplines by making connections. Now we declare that S. Vihana Sai has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Harish Ishan.
Ishan is an independent inquirer who explores the things around him using his senses. Being an inquirer, he has the natural curiosity to know about things of his interest. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is risk taker who approaches unfamiliar situations with confidence. Now we declare that Harish-san has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for his active involvement in the program.
M. Kavin Vishwa.
Kavin Vishwa was with us only for a very short period of time. He is an enthusiastic risk-taking learner who quickly adapted to our system. However, his exclusive learner profile is open-minded, where he respects and accepts the thoughts and ideas of others.
Thank you, Ms.
Now we declare that M. Kavin Vishwa has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program in the year 2021 and is being awarded for his active involvement in the program.
Thank you, Ms. Manolmani. Dear audience, fix your chairs and settle yourself well, as one of the most awarded performances is coming here. Let's welcome our Prep 1 kids, Prep 1 kids for a performance. Not audible, ma'am.
Sir, can you please unmute your mic and start it from the beginning because it's not audible.
It's not audible. Yeah. I think the mic is muted and let's replay from the beginning. Whoever is playing the video, can you replay it? It's not audible. The speaker is off. Turn on the speaker. It's off, I think, at your end.
Play பண்றோம்.
It's still not audible.
Dear audience, we can understand your excitement. Kindly stay connected. We will play it soon.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Two little birds, two little birds, two little birds, not goodbye. Send out the earth, scatters this year. Our two little birds, forgot teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to run. You taught us to be our wise. How to take a turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. You gave us to tie and shoes, Lord, shapes and colors too. So many things you do, just what the same. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright. And
colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Thank you for such an enthusiastic performance.
I would like to call Mr. Hari Prasad to felicitate the prep two children on their graduation day.
K.R. Dhiren Krishna. K.R. Dhiren Krishna.
Dhiren Krishna is an enthusiastic and knowledgeable inquirer who shares his understanding and ideas confidently. He possesses excellent time management skills and completes his task before the specified duration with an uncompromised, excellent presentation. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is thinker, where he identifies and solves problems by applying his critical and creative thinking skills. Now we declare K.R. Dhiren Krishna has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
K. Krishant.
Mr. Hari, you're not audible.
K. Krishnan is an independent inquirer who expresses his thoughts and ideas confidently to others by making connections in his daily life with his justification. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is inquirer as he inquires critically and comes up with many questions to develop his knowledge. Now we declare K. Krishan has successfully undergone the IB LES program from 2019 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
A.S. Kirtivasan.
A.S. Kirtivasan is an independent inquirer who explores the things around him using his senses. Being an inquirer, he has the natural curiosity to know about things of his interest. However, his exclusive learner profile is risk taker who approaches unfamiliar situations with confidence. Now we declare A.S. Kirtivasan has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
M. Meghanachitra.
M. Meghanakshatra is an independent communicator who expresses her thoughts and ideas confidently to others. She is a happy child who appreciates her thoughts with a justification. However, her exclusive learner profile is thinker for having the natural curiosity to know about things. Now we declare M. Meghanakshatra has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for their active involvement in the program.
S. Mohita.
S. Mogita is an enthusiastic and knowledgeable inquirer who shares her understanding and ideas confidently. She possesses excellent time management skills and completes her task. However, her exclusive learner profile is risk taker who approaches unfamiliar situations with confidence. Now we declare S. Mogita has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for their active involvement in the program.
R. Pranati.
Pranati is a principled and knowledgeable communicator who believes in letting her work become her self-identity. She has the ability to organize a task, coordinate, and collaborate with a group of people. However, her exclusive learner profile is Enquirer, where she narrates stories and incidents with voice modulations and actions. Now we declare our Pranati has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
D. Selvi-Subiksha.
D. Selva-Subiksha is an affectionate and caring child who empathizes with the feelings of others. She is a risk-taking person who explores unfamiliar situations and makes the best use of them to develop her knowledge. However, Her exclusive learner profile attribute is open-minded as she respects and accepts the thoughts and ideas of others. Now we declare D. Selva-Subiksha has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
Yes, D.R. Sharu.
S. Diyash Aro is an enthusiastic learner who makes the best use of the opportunity. He is an excellent communicator who shares his thoughts and ideas with others confidently. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is principled as he acts with integrity and honesty to complete any task assigned to him. Now we declare S. Diya Sharo has successfully undergone the IB Earliest program from 2018 to 2021 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
Thank you, Mr. Hari Prasad.
I would like to call Miss Haiti to welcome the students from Prep 2 to Primary level.
Hi everyone, my name is Haiti from grade 1. I am here to welcome Prep 2 Kids to grade 1. Your dreams will take you to the corners of your smile, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special place your heart has ever known. I take immense pleasure in welcoming all the prep students to primary. Every end has a new beginning. I'm glad and thankful for getting the opportunities to share my experience. It was indeed a great experience of feeling senior. It was the journey of learning, and it will be the journey of learning. But with the new experience, the memories are so dense that I'm thinking from where to begin. From the assembly learning to classroom sharing and fun, hopping and jumping and running was the continuous action. Essential agreement reminds us of our duty and responsibility. Those chit-chats and gossipings all happened during interval of small meet. Oh, the love, guidance, support from teachers were endless. Field trips, on the other hand, gives us an amazing experience of the world around us. Big thanks to all the nannies for their day-to-day passion and for bringing smiles on all faces by balancing between all the maintenance work. We made driver and nurse wait for us sometimes, and now it's time for us to be punctual and principled. Let us make a promise to ourselves. We will never come late to school and make the watchman with Germany open the gate for us after 9 a.m. We are grateful and we will always be here and we will always be there for you. Let's join hands together and make this journey joyful and successful. Once again, I congratulate and welcome all my Prep 2 champs to grade 1. Thank you.
I would like to call Miss Jency to share a few words.
A very good morning. Thank you for inviting me to share a few words by Shishika. On this day, I would like to first of all congratulate all the graduates. You have done an inspiring job as you are stepping into grade 1, because this year was very special, right? You didn't have school as you always used to have. You didn't have the corridors to run around. You didn't have your teachers and nannies right next to you, but still you have made it, and you have been an inspiration to everyone. So I would like to first of all congratulate all of you, and the silent winners of the day, the parents. Thank you for proving to your children that education is essential, and thank you for being there for them, for motivating them. I know that it wouldn't have been possible. We understood this year that the combined effect of parents and teachers, their combined support and motivation only helps the children in achieving their goals. And this year, it was a constant support from both parents and teachers. So I also congratulate all the parents on this beautiful day. And especially, I would like to thank the teachers. They have already sent you to the shore, and they are waiting to send the next batch of children. It's a wonderful job that they've been doing. So I congratulate all the kindergarten teachers who are also experiencing this joy of a success along with you. As you move on to grade 1, I'm going to leave a very short message for you. As you go to grade 1, after having this beautiful day of this successful event, you are going to remember that you still have a long way to go. You are going to learn in different ways. You are going to be more independent, as Subhalakshmi ma'am said. So you are going to take this little message that I leave with you today. You remember the spelling of grade 1 that you learned you remember the spelling of 1, right? O-N-E. I'm going to leave a little message along with that. You think of O, you are going to observe carefully. You are going to observe all new things that you see as you move to grade 1, as you step into the primary education. And N, N for you're going to learn new things. Always look for what is new that I can learn, what is new that I can read, what I can write. So always look for new experiences. And O-N-E, E for enthusiastic. Always be enthusiastic and be eager to learn. So remember O-N-E, observe a lot, and learn new things, and E, be very enthusiastic. I'm sure you're going to remember this little message as you move on to grade 1, and you still have a long way to go. All the best to all of you, and a very special wishes to the graduates of the previous year. You have waited patiently to celebrate your graduation day. And that is so amazing, and it adds to your value, it adds to your success. So congratulations once again to all the graduates, and I wish you success in the coming years as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Jency, for your wholehearted wishes.
I would like to call Ms. Nirnana to deliver a short talk on graduation day 2020 batch.
Thank you, Avik. A very good morning to all. I am Nirmishna from grade 1. I am here to deliver a short talk on graduation day 2019-2020 batch. We are braver than we believe, stronger than we seem, and smarter than we think. Yeah, we are, and I hope all of you will agree with this statement. Pandemic was unexpected. Sudden announcement of school holidays were unpredicted. Online classes were unanticipated. And yet, we did not give up on anything, and we did it the best way it could be. And it's never too late to surprise our grade 1 students by honoring them. Let's give it up for our grade 1 students. Happy graduation day 2019-2020 batch. Thank you.
Thanks, Ms. Nirnana.
I would like to call Miss Manunmani to felicitate the Prep 2 children for 2019 and 2020. Akshara?
Akshara is an independent communicator who expresses her thoughts and ideas confidently to others. She is a happy child who communicates her thoughts with her justification. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is inquirer for having the natural curiosity to know about things. Now we declare that D. Akshara has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Yasu Akshaya Narani.
Akshaya is an affectionate and caring child who emphasizes with the feelings of others. She is a risk-taking person who explores unfamiliar situations. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is open-minded as she respects and accepts the thoughts and ideas of others. Now we declare that SU Akshaya Narayani has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Akshaya Anuvrinda.
Anuvrinda is an affectionate and reflective child who has the ability to learn from her surroundings. She is a risk taker who faced challenges and tried making use of them in a positive way. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is caring for showing empathy and respect towards others' needs and feelings. Now we declare that our Anuvrinda has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2019 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Avyuk Naresh.
Avyuk is an enthusiastic and knowledgeable inquirer who shares his thoughts confidently. He is an inquirer who thinks critically and asks for clarification until he gets justification to understand the concepts better. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is principled, for he acts with integrity and honesty to complete any task assigned to him and for taking the responsibility of his own actions along with its consequence. Now we declare that G. Avyuk Natesh has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for his active involvement in the program.
T. Jamin Hashit.
Jaiman is an independent inquirer who explores the things around him using his senses. Being an inquirer, he has the natural curiosity to know about things of his interest. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is risk taker who approaches unfamiliar situations with confidence. Now we declare that T. Jaiman Harshit has successfully undergone the Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for his active involvement in the program.
C. Joshika.
Joshika is an excellent communicator who expresses her thoughts confidently to others. Being an enthusiastic learner, she ensured that she helped her peers whenever needed. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is knowledgeable as she explores concepts to get in-depth understanding across the range of disciplines by making connections. Now we declare that Shri Joshika has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
R.S. Kaniga.
Kaniga is an affectionate and reflective child who has the ability to learn from her surroundings. She is a risk taker who faced challenges and tried making best use of them in a positive way. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is caring for showing empathy and respect towards others' needs and feelings. We declare that R.S. Kaniga has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and it's been awarded for her active involvement in the program.
A.P. Kritistrian.
Kritish is an enthusiastic and knowledgeable inquirer who shares his understandings and ideas confidently. He possesses excellent time management skills and completes his task before the specified duration with an uncompromised excellent presentation. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is thinker, where he identifies and solves problems by applying his critical and creative thinking skills. We declare that A.P. Krithishrayan has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for his active involvement in the program.
Jalya Mitra.
Mitra is a principled and knowledgeable communicator who believes in letting her work become her self-identity. She has the ability to grasp the concept and reflect on them by making connections with her daily life. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is inquirer for having the natural curiosity to know about things and to find the reason behind any activity to develop her knowledge. We declare that L.A. Mitra has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Then Pranav Mitran.
Pranav is an independent communicator who expresses his thoughts and ideas confidently to others by making connections in his daily life with his justification. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is thinker as he thinks critically and comes up with many questions to develop his knowledge. We declare that N. Pranav Mitran has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for his active involvement in the program.
R. Sai Sagana.
Sai Sahana is an enthusiastic learner who makes the best use of every opportunity. She has the ability to organize a task, coordinate and collaborate with a group of people. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is communicator, where she narrates stories and incidents with voice modulations and actions. We declare that R. Sai Sahana has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2016 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay is an affectionate and caring child who emphasizes with the feelings of others. He is a risk-taking person who explores unfamiliar situations and makes the best use of them to develop his knowledge. However, his exclusive learner profile attribute is open-minded as he respects and accepts the thoughts and ideas of others. We declare that T. Dhananjay has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
K.R. Umayal.
Umayal is an enthusiastic learner who makes the best use of the opportunity. She is an excellent communicator who shares her thoughts and ideas to others confidently. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is principled as she acts with integrity and honesty to complete any task assigned to her. We declare that K.R. Umayal has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for her active involvement in the program.
Thank you, Miss Manonmani.
We, the grade ones, would like to dedicate a song to prep 2 students on their graduation day.
Music.
Thank you, my dear friends, for such an enthusiastic performance. I would like to call Ms. Payal to felicitate the Practice Children of 2019-20.
P. Akshara.
Akshara always actively participated during her class discussions and shared her thoughts with others enthusiastically. She used her creative thinking skills to present her work in a creative and colorful way. She has always shown her eagerness to learn something new. However, her exclusive learner profile is knowledgeable as she comprehended the concepts with ease and presented with full confidence. Now we declare P. Akshara has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
K. Ilathendal.
Ilan is a caring child who always loves to take care of her peers and teachers in her own way. She enjoyed her class and participated enthusiastically during hands-on engagements. She always ready to keep her answers proactively in front of others and uniquely expressed her thoughts and ideas. However, her exclusive learner profile attribute is communicator as she speaks well in front of small and large groups. She was confident while she was presenting her thoughts in front of others. Now we declared K. Ilan has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
A. G. Harshit.
A.G. Harshit exclusive learner profile is a risk taker for facing challenges with a smile, calmness, and accepting the changes on a positive note. Though the medium of instruction was challenging for him initially, slowly he started adapting the language and has shown gradual progress towards his studies. He loves to participate in the cultural events like drama, dance, and song and enjoy to its fullest. Now we declare A.G. Harshit has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
R. N. Hayati.
Hayati was a knowledgeable child as she always shared her understanding confidently with others. She expressed her thoughts enthusiastically with others. She enjoyed her class with her peers and teachers. She always completed her engagement before the given time, which showcased her time management skills. However, her exclusive learner profile is open-minded as she listened carefully to other perspectives and tried to learn and grow out of them. She accepted other cultures with a willingness which is prominently evident during her presentation. Now we declare R.N. Hayati has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2018 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
J. Dakshan.
Jay Dakshan was a risk taker as he tried to learn new concepts in his own way. He listened to the classroom discussions and tried to gather knowledge out of them. He loved to present his work through drawing and oral presentation. He is a quick learner who grasps the concept within a short period of time. However, his exclusive learner profile is reflective as he worked on his strength and weakness to support his own learning. Now we declare J. Dakshan has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
R.S. Kanivalavan.
Kani Balavan was a smart child. His presence, his understanding with proper logic. He grasped the concept very well and reflected his understanding with others enthusiastically. He has always shown an eagerness towards his learning and completing his engagement within the given time. However, his exclusive learner profile is balanced as he balanced well in different aspects in terms of learning and other activities. Now we declare R.S. Kanivalavan has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
M. Niranjana.
Niranjana is a communicator who speaks well in front of small and large groups. She always actively participated during her class discussions and negotiated her understanding with others. She always expressed her understanding with solid logic. She liked to present her work uniquely and creatively. Her drawing skills are really appreciable and remarkable at this age level. However, her exclusive learner profile is an inquirer as she came up with lots of interesting questions related to the concepts with great zeal and enthusiasm. Now we declare M. Niranjana has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2019 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
R. Ravan Prasanna.
Ravan Prasanna exclusive learner profile is principled who always follow classroom essential agreements inside and outside the classrooms enthusiastically. He obeyed the teacher instructions properly. He was a keen observer and listened carefully to the shared information by his teachers and peers. He grasped the concept within a short period of time and reflected them effectively in front of others. Now we declare R. Ravan Prasanna has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
A. Vaishishika.
Vaishishika's exclusive learner profile is a reflector as she reflects her understanding in a smart way and grasps the concept at a quick pace. She grasped the concept easily and reflected well within a second. She always extended her helping hands to her peers and teachers with their engagements. She liked to complete her works promptly. Now we declare A. Shankar Vaishishika has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
A. Sankhya Rishvita.
Rishmita is a knowledgeable child who always reflected her understanding confidently. She is always ready to help her peers in terms of completing their assignments. She enjoyed her class with her peers and teachers. She completed most of her engagement within the given time. However, her exclusive learner profile is communicated as she exchanged her creative thoughts and ideas with her peers and teachers confidently and independently with great zeal and enthusiasm. Now we declared A. Shankya Vishmita has successfully undergone the IB Early Years program from 2017 to 2020 and is awarded for the active involvement in the program.
Thank you, Spiral. Let's hear a bidding goodbye note by Nithilan and Vishnu Das. Happy morning to all. I am DJ Visndas. I step 1. Welcome to all members lessons over here. I am very happy to participate in this graduation day. I congratulate all my friends of that too. Are off to their results. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting there. So get on your way. Have the blessing of all teachers and your parents. Once again, I congratulate all of you. Thank you. Hi everyone. I'm Nithilan. I'm talking because of who are in all my friends who are in Public 1. Like to thank you. Want to say bye-bye for me. Bye-bye from all here. All the best for upcoming year. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Nithilan and Vishnu Das.
I would like to call Ms. Jessica to deliver a vote of
My
thanks.
privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this graduation day celebration happen. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Albert Einstein. With these words, I, Miss Joshika, on behalf of SRVIers, would like to extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. Our sincere thanks to our Secretary Dr. Nilaya Dakshi ma'am, Vision Holder Mr. Ganesh Babu, our Vice President Ms. Sublakshmi Bulsu, and PYP Coordinator Ms. Jansi for encouraging us and motivating us throughout the event. I appreciate all the speakers of the event for their confidence and contribution. I extend my thanks to all the teachers for their guidance and to the parents for their efforts and cooperation. Last but not the least, big thanks and applause to all the graduates. Your efforts have paid off today. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jessica. With this note, we have come to the end of the event. I would like to say all the very best to each and every student. Have a happy learning.
இதுக்கான சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு நிமிஷம் இரு. இங்க தேங்க்யூ சொல்றாங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம் இது.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. It was very well done. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.